Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bullseye Trading. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is November 18, 2020. I'm going to show you a trade that we just closed out in Bullseye Trading. For the second half was for over 9%. Total gain was over 7%. And what I do is I take two halves. I have a first target and a second target. So you'll see today we closed out the entire position, being the second target. Let's get right into the chart. This is Berry Global Group. Ticker symbol is BERY. We got in this stock on October 13th. And you'll see right here, it looked like the stock was going to make its next leg higher on a breakout. And it started to work out pretty nicely. It started to move up a little bit. But you'll notice that we had that big decline, a big 3-day sell-off all the way down to the $46 level. Now, there was a lot of support there at 46. But generally, when you break a bullish pattern, sometimes that failed move will lead to a big move to the downside. But in this case, it did not. And I'm going to show you why we had faith in it, why I had faith in it, and why I set my stop loss the way I did. So let's just go over to a bigger time frame. This is something that a lot of people don't choose to use, the bigger time frame. And it's so important because it shows you where the real support lies, where the institutions are really sitting. And what you'll see here is that Berry came all the way down to this $46 level, which is the 100-week moving average. But more importantly than that, you had a whole round number here, and you also had a level where this thing broke out to the upside on a big surge bar. So we know there's a lot of support. Even if the stock did go a little bit lower, you have the 50-week moving average, which is also a lot of support, especially when it coincides with that wide range green bar. So you know there's a lot of support in here. Now, here's really where the trade gets a little bit complicated, but this is what traders need to know. The stock recently had a big pop, and then it stalled out in early January, sold off, obviously came back up to that point right here. You can see it got there in the month of June, and then it pulled back, and it was able to get above there on a closing basis. So this level, or this area right here, anywhere from 46 to 48 becomes a major support level because you were able to get above that. And what does it do? It backtests 48 to 46, and now we got that big pop. The only reason why I got out of this stock, and I think it still can go higher, is simply because they're reporting earnings tomorrow morning. And anytime a company does report earnings, you just never know how the market's going to react to those earnings announcements. So I decided to take the money off the table. We got a nice gain in there. We'll see if it does pull back after the earnings announcement. There's always a chance it can go a lot higher. If that's the case, so be it. We missed the boat on that one, but we made good money. And again, made over 9%. On the second half position, and that's how you do a trade. So again, hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, come on over, check out Bullseye Trading. We're having a great year. Also, check out Bullseye Options, just off the charts, having a great year there as well. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.